Here they are. Look at how big the little monsters are getting. You still eating? That was your breakfast this morning. That's good that it's keeping you lasting longer. That's a nice lot I've made for you. So. Hey, little fellas. Can I come in and stroke you? I can see you looking at me under your eyes. Hello. Which one are you? Oh, you're Eddie. You don't care. You don't mind me stroking you. So I put this in there for you as well. So you put it all in the one bowl. Oh, Eddie. I didn't want to pour it over your head. Yeah. It's all in there now, look. How's this one? You're getting better, aren't you? Look, Eddie loves me. Eddie loves me, look. So you should love me. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. You're not frightened, are you? You're not frightened. Look at that little nose. And what about you? What about you? Come here, you. My Eddie. Who's this? Is this Rambo or is this Brutus? Let's have a look. We've got to have a look. Come here, you. Come here, you got something stuck in your paw. Oh, you like that as well. You always lay down and let me stroke. You love your bellies being tickled, don't you? I think you're Eddie. Look at that. That's so nice. That's so nice, isn't it? Eh? That little fat belly. Look at that little fat belly. Eh? What are you doing? Go to the toilet again? You must be... I think you're Rambo, because you're a bit more rugged. You love this, Eddie, don't you? You're my best friend. You're going to be my best friend as well? You're lovely. You're lovely, you are, Ed, aren't you? Eh? Look at that. Is that the face of a little angel? Is that the face of a little angel? It is, isn't it? Eh? What are you? Are you the face of? Yes. And you're the face of what? You're the face of what, you over there? Look at that lovely nose. You're all good. You're all good. Come here. You're good. Oh. You're all running indoors and I want to stroke you. Except for Eddie. Look, see? Look, Eddie just stays here. I know my Eddie, because he's a good one. He just loves being fussed, Eddie. Very taken to me, aren't you, Eddie? Eddie the pig. See, look, you know I'm not going to hurt you. Want to play ball? Come on in. Yeah, look. Look. Let's chase the ball around. Come on. No? Oh, no. I think I'll have food instead. Eddie, you're beautiful.